our shades. We will find a place where there's so much